Welcome back to part 4 of our Draw.io series. We are deep into designing our book and library application. Let's review our journey. We use a flowchart for basic logic, and then we use an use case to define a feature, and we use an activity diagram to map the workflow between user and system. Up until now, we've been looking at the behavior of the apps, how it moves and acts, and today everything stops. We are looking at the class diagram. This is the structural blueprints. This is the diagram that developer cares about the most because it is tells them that what files to create and what code to write. So, what is a class diagram? It is a static snapshot of your system structure. If the activity diagram is a movie showing people doing things, the class diagram is the cast list showing who the characters are and what props they own. In programming terms, specifically object-oriented programming, it defines the blueprints for the object in your system. It tells us 1. What data we need to store, 2. What action can be performed on that data, and 3. How different parts of the system are connected. Before we build the apps, you need to understand the shape itself. In Draw.io, under the UML section, grab the box labeled as class. Notice it has 3 distinct sections separated by lines. This is the type object for our apps. This will be things like a book or a member. And then this is the attribute. What does this object know? A book now is as title and its ISBN. And then the third is the methods. What can this object do? A book can be a checkout, for example. Okay, let's architect our library apps. We need two main classes to start, a book and a member. First, we will build a book first. We will name it book. And then for the attribute, a book have a title, which data type is string. And then it have an ISBN, which data type is integer. And then a book can be checked available or not. Which type data is Boolean. And then let's move to method. What book can do? For example, book can be checked out. After that, book can be returned. After we making a class for books, we making class for member. We name it member. In member, they have an attribute. For example, name. Don't forget to add the data type, and then it have a member ID. Integer. And then we go to methods. What can a member do? For example, member can do a borrow a book. There you go. We have two different class, is class book and class member. And then we need to connect these two class with a lines. After we making the class, the line and the member, we need to make a multiplicity, like how many books can a member have. So we go with the text here. We go with 0 dot dot and then star. This means 0 to many, which is a single member can have 0 or many books tied up of their account. And there it is. This diagram is the exact skeleton for your developers need to start writing the actual code in Java, C Sharp, or Python. We've gone from vague idea in the video 1 to concrete technical specification in video 4. If you're following along this series, you now possess the fundamental skill of a software architect. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more advanced tutorial, let me know in the comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy diagramming!